That's right, as you can see, our automation level at LANG is almost at 100%. Every single machine tool we have equipped with our own automation system, Robotrex. As you mentioned, we are manufacturing 2,500 vices a month in just one shift, and to cover that, we need to have the support of robots as well. We get good experience with Gunn, they have great support, good quality, so we decided to have them as the main supplier for our automation systems. When we started our company in 1982, we have been a subcontractor for the local industry. And of course, we were constantly looking for alternatives to improve our own manufacturing site, but at this time, simply there were no solutions. So what was the solution? Make our own manufacturing, our own work-holding devices.
So this is the manufacturing area, but we have loads more to show you. So shall we show them?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
It's called stamping technology. We have launched it in 1999. At this time, it was really a breakthrough in the industry. We stamp the blanks. They come right from the saw. We stamp it within a few seconds, and then we're going to clamp it right away in the vices. And as you can see here, for instance, the vices then will be taken from the robot inside the machine tool to manufacture our jaws, for instance.
But the clamping system that your machine does creates that rigidity that was necessary for some of these hard cuts.
Absolutely. It's what we call a foam closure clamping. You need very low clamping forces to hold it very tightly and very rigidly.
Toby, automation is quite literally one of my favorite conversations right now because the whole world is utilizing it more than they ever have. And I see behind us a whole lot of yellow, which leads me to believe LANG focuses on automation as well. Would you like to discuss more about that?
As you can see, we have a lot of little yellow friends here. And as you assumed, the topic automation is picking on. And yeah, we need to serve our customers on spot. And we are here in the assembly area of the automations. So every single automation systems customers purchase from us, they will be installed here, tested for at least 24 hours. Then they're put together, shipped to the customer, and then start to work there. We offer the full package, not only the automation system, but of course also the work holding, 0 point, everything, the complete package a customer needs to automate his existing machine tool.
Every time I hear the word Germany, I think quality. And you're doing everything here in Germany when it comes to assembly. Can you elaborate on that a little bit?
Yeah, exactly. Not only the manufacturing process itself is important, also what comes after the manufacturing process. Quality. You're talking about quality. We have a 100% quality control of our vices, checking the parallelism, checking the centering accuracy. And as I said, we're also using robots for that, working almost 24 hours, sorting out the good vices. But it's only for our own use. We not sell them, we also use it for our own manufacturing side or for measuring processes.
It is, as we can see behind us with this Zeiss and this robot and all these vices, you're making sure that everything is perfect for the customer before it leaves here.
Absolutely. That's one of our highest priorities, delivering the best quality to our end users and to our customers. Quality means if the customer is satisfied to 100%. So there are no excuses. As you say, the manufacturing process itself can be very good, but all what comes after the manufacturing process is also very important. So it is essential to have a good quality management, also the post-manufacturing process.
At the rate that LANG has over the years, this is the focus. Wouldn't you agree?
That's right, exactly. Trust is good, but control is better, as we say in Germany. So we have to do it.
I like that saying. And now that we've at quality and we've approved that these parts are going to be good, we have to talk about inventory because everyone wants to know what's your stock like. Shall we take a look at that?
Exactly. Let's go there.
But I want to discuss with the audience right now the amount of inventory, the importance of inventory, and how this really supports your customers around the world.
Customers, they always want to receive the goods as quick as possible. Best is they call us and we ship it out 1 hour later. And to achieve this aim, we always want to stock a month's sales approximately in our stock department.
You know, I'm sure you've heard this before. I know your territory is very vast when it comes to LANG, but how many people call and ask for a product yesterday?
Almost all of them, to be honest.
Almost all of them.
They're planning to buy a machine tool a month or a year before, but then the machine tool is assembled and then they need work holding permanently.
Well, there you have it, my friends. The tour of LANG here in Germany, approximately 42,000 square feet. I give you feet because, well, they said about 14,000 meters, so I'm doing some simple math here. But Toby, thank you so much for sharing this facility with the global audience at MTD.
Thank you very much. It was a big pleasure for us to having you here, and you're welcome back anytime.
Well, if I come back again, I'm a little worried you'll take my job. You did such a fantastic job while showcasing the facility. One more time, thank you again,
my friend.
Thank you very much.
It was a big pleasure. Thank you.